One, two. Okay. Mayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Good morning. Okay. 3 weeks ago, bibisita ko dire for na manubo. And then nagka-istorya mi ni Ma'am Belia. Si Sir wala. Nalipay ko nga nakita ni Sir kay taga-Naval man siya, no, sa Anislagan ng iyang kaliwat. So, nagka-istorya ni Ma'am Belia, nangutana ko sa iya kung unsay pwede o gikinahanglan sa inyong eskwelahan. And she told me that you need 5 units of electric fan. So, ako'y organisasyon nga gitawag og JDR Mission Partners Incorporated. Rehistrado ni siya sa Securities and Exchange Commission. This is a religious, charitable organization. So, today, I am here to award the 5 units of electric fan and at the same time to award the cash amount of 7,000 pesos for the construction of your comfort room para sa pero dili ni siya personal na kong kwartahan. This is not my personal money. This is from my mission partners of the JDR Mission Partners Incorporated, which I founded. So, gikan ni sa akong mga mission partners. So, si Dr. Pusaw Kitagawa and Nastar Business Technology of Japan donated 10,000 pesos. So, yung 7,000 for the construction of the comfort room, the 3,000 pesos is for the electric fan, and the remaining amount was shouldered by Ms. Risa Ligaspe of California, USA. They are all my mission partners. So I hope that nakatabang ko sa inyo, and I hope this is not my last visit sa inyo. I hope you will organize. No, I hope yung 7,000 for the comfort room, ang mag-construct ang mga parents, the members of the community, tinabangay na lang mo para mag-construct. And I hope and pray that I could go back. Hopefully, I could bring more school supplies, maybe clothing for the children, maybe milk, vitamins for the children, and also feeding, no? If you could organize a weekly feeding for children, you can just submit to me a proposal. No? How much would it take for you to have a weekly feeding? Kung pila ang budget. You give it to me, si Sir maka-text sa ako, and I will send the money to whoever will be in charge of the money. Dapat may treasurer mo sa PTCA. Diba? So, aron mapadayo ninyo ang inyong feeding. So, all of this, pasalamatan natin, we thank the Lord. We are doing this for the greater glory of God. Not for me, but for the greater glory of God. Because Sitio Palayan is an adopted community of the JDR Mission Partners Incorporated. We are sending Marlon Truby, the first high school graduate of their community in college. Kami ang nagpa-eskwela sa mission. Libre iyang boarding house, libre iyang pagkaon. Libre iyang tuition fee. He's being sponsored by Tita Fanny Cirano, yung sikat kaayong hairstylist sa mga artista. Ipadadaan gali siya mga sinina ni Tita Fanny. So, I hope uban pa sa mga manubo diri nga interesado ng Eskwela College atong paningkamutan nga makatabang. I was texting the President, Noynoy Aquino, nag-action yung DNR Secretary Pangi to help the manubo sa problema nila sa yuta niya sa taas. So, and I was also communicating to Chairman Pawin of NCIP. So, kaninyong tanan, daghang salamat. Labi na kang Sir Rosie. Sir, please accept the amount of 7,000 pesos. Okay lang. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Aray sa sir ha. Sir, balik sa naman o sir. Kaya ako, mamay ako nga. Anto nga, tislip ko.
Kilid.
Sa kilid na. Kani. Ngari. Okay. Password.
Okay. That's okay, kuya. Okay na.
Ah,